Welcome back. After Hurricane Helena, we have Hurricane Milton, which in the early hours of tomorrow morning, Wednesday, is going to hit the Florida states. And the mayor of Tampa and various counties in Florida have ordered an evacuation of the civilian population. And this has been going on since a day or two now. Evacuation, thousands of people on the highway trying to escape Dodge City. And this is a real badass hurricane. First it was a class 4, now it's a class 5, and it's steaming towards Florida and the Gulf Bay, or the Mexican Gulf Bay, what they call it, but the part of the sea there. And they say it's given me one hell of hurricane, more worse than Helena. And now, strange things have been happening on the news. We're saying these things are manipulated weather control stuff and that. It's true, it does exist, this type of technology. You can check it out. Patents. They are patent inventions by the US government. And they've been doing it for years, these things. And then afterwards, they look, there's a bloke from the CIA saying, we're using these techniques to reduce global warming. You what? They're using these techniques to make things a lot more worse, because global warming has got nothing to do with mankind, apart from them meddling with God's creations. The global climate, every thousands of years, God knows how many times, changes. We become a bit cold, we become a bit hotter, and so on. So doing them meddling with the weather, with the nature of the elements, moving it around, thinking they are saving the planet, they are deliberately destroying the planet and the people who live in these devastated, apocalyptic places of the world. Hurricane Helena. Bit strange. There are huge deposits of lithium and quartz, and now it was all up for grabs now, isn't it? And mind you, it's a bit strange because at Tampa there's a naval military base, an intelligence centre, which they say coordinates all the operations in the Middle East and all the other arky-balaki stuff, even in Ukraine as well. Pentagon, there, Tampa, the military base and stuff like that. And we don't know how hard it'll be until we don't see the results, but seeing how mean from previous Hurricane Helena, is not looking good at all. And obviously there are people saying nasty things of the victims of Hurricane Helena. It deserves to serve them well. This is one thing, it could even hit you. And probably someone will say the same thing to you. Be nasty for people who were totally wiped out. Not just a family, generations have been living in those Black Rock areas in North Carolina and Tennessee. And so on. Our prayers go out towards them. But the federal government's not helping. They're just obstacling and retarding rescue. The possibility of finding survivors by the hour, by the day, is very remote. Try to help those who are being isolated to be rescued, or they intentionally let them to die.